You're very welcome back to The Sixth Kitchen. We've got a host of Irish acting talent with us tonight, and Eoin Sheehan is about to feed them some taco fries.
Yes, I am.
Results all round. Eoin, right, what's the difference then between your taco fries and the ones that we might get in the chipper?
Mine are going to be about a third of the calories, OK?
A third?
A third, yeah,
So,
that's what I'm predicting. So usually a general taco fry, you're talking about 1,500 calories maybe.
OK.
Mine would come in at about 600-700 calories. Now, we're not really too consumed by that, but it is a lot healthier because I'm not using a lot of fats. The mayo and the ketchups I'm using are lower fats, so all the small little differences add up.
OK.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to make homemade chips. We're not going to deep-fat fry them. We're going to bake them in the oven. So again, we're saving a lot of calories there. All I'm doing is some nice washed potatoes.
Do you want a hand or anything? Do you need help?
I'm going to need someone to grate my cheese, if you don't mind.
OK. How very
Over
forward
here,
you roll.
yeah. Make of that as you wish. There you are.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Ed. So for the chips, I'm going to leave them quite thick and chunky. Then put them into a roasting pan. So a nice sharp knife.
Mind your fingers.
It's okay.
And you're not peeling them or anything, just give them a scrub.
No. If any bad bits, I'm just going to take them off. They were washed a while ago. So always, when any veg, chop it down, put it on a flat surface so it doesn't roll.
Yeah.
And again, just nice, thick.
And you can go as chunky as you like when you're baking them, I suppose.
Absolutely, yeah,
Right.
can of course. Now, if they're very, very thick and you're in a rush, you could parboil them. So drop them in some boiling water. They'll soften a little bit, and then you roast them. So they might be a little bit.
Them, is it or now?
No,
Sorry.
now. So yeah.
Okay,
There's no need to at this stage, but you could if you wanted to.
Okay, that's a good idea.
So what I'm going to do, just put some olive oil in there with that.
Isn't there a rule when you're frying them you gotta rinse them off, rinse the starch off?
Yes, yeah. Not here, no. That's actually going to help us. And we have some nice Cajun
I'm a chip
seasoning.
aficionado. When it comes to chips,
Oh
I
yeah.
don't know what I'm talking
Okay, well these ones are
about.
good.
What is this? What's the seasoning?
So that's a Cajun spice.
Cajun
It's like
spice.
peri. So it's like a blend of paprika, cumin, and cayenne pepper, salt and pepper, and a few other mixed herbs in there.
You can mix that yourself.
You can indeed, yeah. If you haven't, we'll give it a good toss, a good shake.
Right.
It's gorgeous. It's really aromatic.
Yes. And that's going to go into the oven at about 180 for about 30-40 minutes.
Okay.
Okay? So I'm going to pop them in.
When does the show end?
Yeah, I've got a photographic memory.
He's got some he's put on earlier for us.
Oh,
Yes, so I sure do.
You better.
Sure do.
Just put it that way, Ed.
Tips of the trade. So
right.
we have a pan on a high heat. I have chopped my onion and garlic already. We're going to do a little bit of chili, just for a small little bit of heat.
Do you need all of this cheese?
No, just one side of it. Yeah, perfect.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's it. So I can just eat the rest of it.
He's going to actually stand and eat the rest. Look at him. He's doing it. He's doing it. I don't believe it. Wasn't it
So we have a
bad
small
with
bit of
Gary
chili
Rowe?
chopped up.
Very soft, yeah.
Shocking,
It was
actually.
fantastic, yeah.
58?
Yeah, it was brilliant. He was very entertaining as well. And it was excellent at what he did. It was fantastic.
Yeah.
Very creative. So oil going in. You're going to
Oil in
fry
the
up
pan.
some.
I'm going to put my onion and garlic in there.
Yeah.
I'm going to add the chili, just for a little bit of heat. If you don't want it that spicy, take out the seeds.
What's the difference between the green and the red?
There's not a whole pile.
Right, okay.
They're just one style, literally. They're just, and you could get jalapenos, you could go spicier, you could get ghost ones, but they're a decent one. They're not too spicy, but they'll add a little bit of heat, depending on how much you use.
Yeah.
Oh,
You won't see through time with those ones.
flipping.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
So there's a dad in every house that doesn't like anything too spicy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Jesus, no, leave the chilies loaded up for me.
So all we're doing is just sweating these down. We don't want to burn them or brown them off.
Yep.
We have some. This is actually goat mince. Actually, I found a goat outside a while ago.
I'm sorry.
Would you believe Ed skinned them and then we came in?
Sorry.
Yeah.
This is too upsetting.
It's pretty much like a large rabbit that can scream like a human.
Now we have some beef mince here. We're going to put in.
Use
Shocking,
rabbit.
that is.
Could you do what?
Could you use rabbit in this?
You absolutely could. You can use whatever you like.
Any kind of roadkill.
So this is actually beef, just to clarify. It's beef.
Beef mince,
Okay.
yeah.
Right.
I have eaten goat before in
Yeah,
Dubai.
yeah. So have I actually.
Yeah,
Very
very,
good.
very nice. So all we're doing, we're just browning this off.
Yes, you're flying to it.
Yeah, it's a good high heat. I'll drop that heat in a while when it's browned off. But to
Okay.
start, just keep it tossed and turban. To spice this up, we have some cumin. We're going to put in about a teaspoon. Some paprika. So again, nice bit of colour and a little bit of heat. And when this is mixed through, and a nice dash of salt and pepper.
Oh,
that I have
that's
there.
tasty.
Lovely. Spicy.
And some salt and pepper.
And how long will we be giving this for? Just 2-3 minutes? Just to brown it?
Literally, all browning it off, I'm going to put in the sauce, and it's just whipped up then. So the longest part of this dish is the chips in the oven.
Okay.
That's literally all of this.
So, what sauce? Sorry, you're...
I'm going to add some tomato sauce to this.
Right.
So we're not, like, this is like the start of a bolognese or a chili.
Yeah.
So we're going to do a small little bit of chopped tomato. We don't need a whole pile,
Okay.
but it gives it a nice little bit of body. We can drop that heat on a little bit.
And you said everything was lower fat.
Yes, yeah. So again, nothing has been massively high in calories at the moment. The beef will be a little bit, but again, this is going to be a generous portion. So we have a small bit of chopped tomatoes gone in. We'll do some tomato puree, which gives us a kind of a head start. So it's like a concentrated tomato.
Yeah.
So it gives it a nice bit of colour and a nice bit of body without the actual long cooking time.
Yeah.
So you'll see this is kind of coming together now.
And that'll take it
Like
for
so.
you as well a little bit.
Girls, I'll get one of you if you
I
don't
suppose
mind.
the thing is, Owen,
Yep.
like, even though it's taco fries you're having, everything you're doing is...
Adaptable.
Yeah, but it's like,
yeah.
you know what's in it, and it's not...
Exactly,
Yeah.
of course, yeah.
There's nothing dodgy in it. It's
Yeah.
just ordinary kitchen ingredients.
That's
like
the
a big
difference,
cup
yeah.
full of weird sauce or
if
something.
you don't
full of
mind.
sugar
It's all
and stuff
very-
like that.
If you
you know,
could
very locally.
dip
Yeah.
the ketchup and the mayonnaise into this bowl.
Yep,
Like
a
so.
whole lot.
Yep, throw the whole lot in. We'll cover them all.
We used to call it Russian dressing.
Yeah,
Oh, right. Oh, yeah. we
ketchup
used to do
in
that.
and the mayonnaise. So we're making like a pink sauce. So
Okay.
like for a
That's
burger,
right.
but that's going to go over.
Actually, we used to use that for a Mary Rose sauce, but I'm sure it's...
Yes,
Your
yeah.
prawn cocktail.
That was
Similar.
the, that was
Your
the,
prawn cocktail,
We'll do a
exactly.
dash of Worcester in there
Lovely.
and a sprinkle of powdered garlic. Even if you wanted to make a garlic mayo, you would just use some powdered garlic and mayonnaise.
Really?
It's simple. And a
Excellent.
small bit of
Powdered
parsley.
garlic.
garlic mayonnaise. Oh, gorgeous, yeah.
So I'm going to give you a small dash of that if you want to taste the Swiss.
I don't know
Give it a
if you're
twirl.
coming in late from the pub in the run-up to Christmas at 3 o'clock in the morning. Owen. If you'd be in the...
Come down to my house in Limerick.
I
I'm
don't
telling
need
you,
a
3
fixed
o'clock in the
date.
morning, that's where the best meals are made.
Oh, my God.
With a little taco fries.
You guys stay
Next
right
morning,
there.
you remember the chips.
You guys stay right there.
Where's that rabbit? What's going on?
So
this is probably the first time I've ever eaten taco fries sober.
Yeah,
it's gonna be I wonder what it tastes like.
If you believe, I get that a lot.
Yeah, it's going to be
A whole
interesting.
new experience.
Between this and a spice bag, that's
Oh, yeah.
obviously that's the reaction I always get because I don't think I've tasted this
Yeah,
sober.
but you know what it's like?
Yeah.
It smells, Owen, I have to say,
My daughter loves
absolutely
spice bags, they
incredible.
are.
Yeah.
What you've got over there
Pungent.
is beautiful.
So-
the sauce is all whipped
That
up.
quick. Like,
That was
Yeah.
quick. It was that quick.
So
It was
quick.
like...
Can we taste it?
Have we
Perfect.
got some
We
get
sure
those
do.
chips out and bring them up because
Our chips are going to come in.
God,
Tomorrow.
a ripping time and space.
Thank God for
Towel
his
here.
one we prepared
this is the
earlier.
one we prepared earlier. Yeah, absolutely.
Oh.
So and then you're just going to lash it all on top and away we go.
I sure am.
Fabulous.
So
All right.
these are the ones that I prepared a while ago.
You tell me
They
about
look
them.
Clean these up here.
You have to reveal the cheese.
delicious.
If you don't mind. Yes, please, can you do the big reveal?
It's going to be a big... Oh.
Very good.
We're going to have some crazy drinks
Careful now,
tonight.
they're quite hot.
Although, is that a
Lovely.
myth? Is the cheese
So
dream?
there are nice golden chips. Again, about 30-40 minutes in the oven. Give them a toss every now and then.
So crispy.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
They look really...
So it's a good high
scrummy.
heat, so they brown pretty fast and they're nice and
How
soft on
high
the
would
inside.
that heat need to be, do you think?
It's about 200 degrees, 180,
Yeah.
200 degrees.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do a nice
That's
dollop in the
gorgeous.
middle.
They look gorgeous.
What we're going to do is our mince beef sauce on top.
Gorgeous.
We'll be
That
generous.
looks really sustained. Now, that would keep you going all
This
night.
will feed a
Slow-mo
few
camera
now.
on
This should
that one.
feed a few.
Yeah. And good finger food as well for parties if you're having a bunch of people over
Yeah.
and they're up to Christmas. Do that.
A nice dollop
Literally.
of that pink
dead
sauce
salmon fingers in the food.
over the top.
Right, we're going to tuck
Yeah, that
into
is
this.
proper.
We're going to bring
That
this to
is
the couch.
absolutely.
Do you want to be
Warren,
honest?
if you want some, you can come over now
for
and
it.
have some if you like.
I'll be over in a second. And there is minced beef in that, but there was nothing to do with a goat or a rabbit or any of the terrible things that they were saying. All animals are safe, bar the beef. Sorry about that. Please don't. The Friday feelings today, there are some absolutely gorgeous ones, like Eamon, who says, my daughter is coming home from Australia for good tomorrow. Christmas is coming early. That is so beautiful. A lot of people spotted at the top of the show. Tracy's like, is that a tattoo on Murren's knee? Is Murren's knee okay? What's going on? What's happened to your knee, Murren? And why have you taken off the fancy plaster? You can check out my Instagram to see what happened earlier on today. I had a plaster at the top of the show and my boss was like, get that off your knee. So I put it in my pocket. You can check out my Instagram to see what's going. Get your Friday feelings into us. And we want to hear about your most embarrassing stories as well, because we were talking about the lads a little bit earlier on. You can send your messages in. It's WhatsApp 0833 60 60 60 and we'll see you back here very shortly.